Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu on your Android device. First, you'll need to select a suitable Nintendo Switch emulator for Android. Popular options include Skyline or Yuzu, which are actively developed. Make sure your phone has at least 6 GB of RAM and a powerful processor for the best experience. Once chosen, download and install the emulator application. Next, you'll need the Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu game file itself. This typically comes in a specific format like XCI or NSP. Once you have this file, transfer it to a dedicated folder on your Android device, perhaps in your Downloads or a New Games folder. Then, launch your emulator application and use its built-in file browser to navigate to and select your game file. The emulator will then begin processing it. Now, let's optimize your emulator settings for a smooth gameplay experience. Dive into the graphics options and experiment with resolution scaling and rendering modes. You might find that setting the resolution to 1 times or 1.5 times your device's native resolution works best. Also, check the audio settings to ensure sound is clear and synchronized. Adjusting these can significantly improve how the game runs on your specific Android phone. Finally, for the best experience, consider connecting a Bluetooth controller to your Android device. This provides a much more comfortable and familiar way to play. Within the emulator's settings, you can map your physical controller's buttons to the game's actions, like the button for interaction or the joystick for movement. Once everything is configured, simply launch Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu and embark on your adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.